Hi everyone, this is Walter
And I'm Soumya.
and we are from Team Akriti, a group of multidisciplinary professionals with a passion to solve real-life problems. We leverage deep science and artificial intelligence for sustainability solutions.
We work in data science, geoinformatics, water resources, and environmental management. We provide meaningful data driven solutions to address water insecurity and climate risk.
Water stress is critical in the global south, and more so in India, with just 4% of the world's fresh water vis-a-vis 16% of the global population.
Bengaluru has gone from the city of lakes to the city of concrete. Its water crisis is alarming. Over 80% of the water supply to the city comes from the reservoirs of the Kaveri.
Short-term forecasting of reservoir water availability and communicating this information effectively is critical. Our approach to predict near real-time water availability in reservoirs is a combination of process-based and a data-driven approach.
Our top 3 features are physics-guided neural hydrology, a user-friendly interface, and an easily scalable methodology.
All our predictions are communicated with their uncertainties evaluated by well-known performance metrics used in hydrology.
Our combined model predicts inflows and storage. These can be used together to predict the outflows from the reservoir. Predictions of inflows and storage are done for 30, 60, and 90 days ahead.
Our approach is scalable to include data from multiple reservoirs across numerous river basins.
We will now show you a demo of our dashboard. We call it Reservoir Watch. This is the landing page or an overview of the 4 reservoirs Hemavati, Harangi, KRS and Kabini in the upper Kaveri basin. Here in these rectangles you can see the level, storage, inflow and outflow for that particular day for all 4 reservoirs. On the right hand side, we have also added some trivia related to the 4 dams. Now, if I click on a particular dam, let's say Hemavati, it takes us to a more detailed view of various characteristics of Hemavati reservoir. Here, you can see again level, inflow, outflow and storage for the particular day from Hemavati, and down here we also have the observed values of all these variables and the simulated values from our hydrological model for all the variables. So if I go and click on level, it will show the time series of the level of Hemavati reservoir. Similarly, if I click on rainfall, it shows the rainfall pattern for this region. Now, if we want to see the predictions, I go on storage and let me choose a sample date. Let's go for 3rd of Jan. It's my birthday, so okay. So I'll go and choose 3rd Jan 2020. January 3rd, 2020. And if I want the prediction for the next 30 days, I click 30 here and then I click on the forecast button. These are the forecast of storages for the next 30 days from 3rd of Jan 2020, along with the uncertainty band, which is plus or minus standard deviation for each of the prediction mean for a particular day. Here we have also placed some performance evaluation metrics like coefficient of determination or root mean square error. So for each prediction, these values will also show up on our dashboard. We also have some other information related to Hemavati reservoir, the location, storage capacity, the purpose, etc., the year when the operation started, the completed year and all of that. So this was our dashboard.
We look forward to partnering with impact-driven platforms like WRI and making a meaningful contribution to our planet's well-being.
Thank you.